Is he 2 years old? Is he 3 years old? Is he 5 years old? Is he 6? Not 6. Yeah. Oh, is he 6 years old? Or is he 7 years old? But we even got a taller one. Is he 1 year old? Nope. Is he 2 years old? Nope. Is he 3 years old? Nope. Is he 4 years old? Yup. Is he 5 years old? Nope. Is he 4 years old? Yup. Is he 6 years old? Nope. Is he 7 years old? Nope. Is he 4 years old? Yup. So I can know how tall he is when he grows up. See? So he is 4 years old. First he was 1 year old. Then he was 2 years old. Then he was 3 years old. Then he was 4 years old. And that's who he is right now. And look, he can play with his little arm meters. So he tells Mom, can I please? He's gonna tell his mom, can I please get your earrings and screw them into this? And then when you need them, I'll unscrew them. But then when I play with them, you don't ask me, can I please get them back? I'll put them back when you want me to. That would be so funny if he said that in real life. But no, he was still one of us in real life. So yeah, so I do not wish that he was like that. I'm gonna ask Santa Claus if he can make all my toys if he can make all my toys real, like come alive. No, that would be so creepy. Santa, please do not give me that. That would be creepy. They'll be doing whatever they want. But yeah, I kind of want them to grow big, and I kind of want the mermaid to grow big and in real life and turn real. So I can always talk to her. And I want the robots to grow big, and my dolls to grow big and turn real. I want all my toys to turn real. All my toys. Just all my toys. Except for the creepy ones, no. I do not want the creepy ones to grow in real life. We're gonna have to throw the creepy ones away. You know. What's that? That's creepy. Who was that? What's that? I'm in the bathroom, yeah. Who told me to? Shh. Oh, not me? Dad, do you see that? Oh, that was creepy. That is creepy. Who said that? My heart just went boop, boop. That scared me. I hope it ain't my doll. But that scared me so bad. My heart went boop, boop, boop. Guys, I'm gonna go lay down because I'm just so tired. Oh look, my front tooth got lost. When I do this, it makes a funny face. So I'm gonna go lay down and rest my legs. I already went to sleep, but I am still sleeping. So I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.